Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 388, problem 4. You may use a calculator for this. I don't think you'll need it, though. It says, workers fixing a sidewalk need 80 gallons of water and 60 pounds of cement mix to make 20 feet of new sidewalk. If these same proportions are to be used to make 11 feet of new sidewalk, how many gallons of water will be needed? Okay, first thing, 60 pounds of cement mix. How are you going to use that information? You're not. Are there things that they give you just to confuse you? Yes. Should you worry about it? No. It's not. Being aware of it is about all you're going to do. Worrying about it does not give you any advantage. Okay? It's bad, but it's not going away, and you're not going to make it go away. It's just one of the things that you have to accept. Like, is there a thunderstorm while you're taking the test? You're not going to do anything about that. If they throw this 60 pounds of cement mix at you for no reason during the test, you just have to accept it. Okay, it's there. Everyone else is dealing with it. It's kind of fair that way. Your competitors have to deal with it. You have to deal with it. It's fair. Okay, it says 80 gallons of water to make 20 feet of new sidewalk. And they're not giving you any multiple choices here. You have to figure it out yourself and write it in. But it's not complicated. Look at it this way. If 80 gallons of water is 20 feet of sidewalk, then what happens if you cut off those zeros? Okay. I know I'm making this complicated. I just want you to see parts of it. Okay. 80 gallons of water, 20 feet of sidewalk. First thing, I don't need those zeros. Okay. Wow. So 8 gallons of water is 2 feet of sidewalk. Well, if it becomes 1 foot of sidewalk, could be 4 gallons. 4 gallons of water is 1 foot of sidewalk. So they want 11 feet of sidewalk. What's it going to be over here? Should just be 44. I don't know why you would need a calculator for that. If you do, then use it. I would just be surprised by that. I think the difficulty in this problem is that people get distracted by the 60 pounds of cement mix, thinking somehow that has to fit into the formula. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. And not in the S.A.T. class usually, but in the 4 other classes that I teach. I teach IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, and GMAT. I do about a 10-minute discussion just on distractors, and I build a bizarre mythology around the distractors in the test. Students find it useful. I may talk about that in a different video. Here, I just wanted to make sure that you understand the problem. Okay.